Okay.
All right. So first we take this off. Just kind of lift it, and then this would have been in the off position. So you spin it until its pilot is lined up here, and you'll be able to push this button. Then you come down to this door and you open it, and you stick your lighter in right here to the end of this. Okay, yep. And then just hold this button down.
The small red one.
Why am I not lined up with that button? Oh, you gotta keep it held down for 1 minute. And now you'll look down here and the pilot is lit. A little lower. There you go. Okay. And then this door here has to get locked and clasped again with that. Hold this down for 1 minute. Actually, I'll leave this open so I can see in there. Now I don't need to hold it down for 1 minute for this video because we just turned it off and it's already hot. So once you had it down, you spin this to on. Which is which way? So now on is lined up here. Then you spin this knob up to this one. Don't put it all the way to hot or you'll burn. Oh, I did it too fast, so I just knocked the flame out.